Hey guys, what's up? This is Sameer here and you are watching Samsung Tricks. So in this video I am going to show you how can you remove the watermark of Activate Windows from your Windows 10, 8.1, 8 and even 7. So let me tell you first thing that it will not activate your Windows but it will remove the watermark from it. Before we get started, click on the red subscribe button and turn it grey. Now move your fingers to the keyboard and press Window key and R at the same time. Now it will open a run command window. Now in that you have to type regedit, then allow it and it will open a registry editor. Now in the registry editor you have to click on H key local machine and in that you have to click on system. Now in the system of H key you have to click on current control set and in that you have to click on services. And now you have to scroll down till the S and until and unless you will find SBSBC file. And once you scroll down till the S section you will find a SBSBC file. You have to just double click on it, and after you double click on it you will see a start option and you have to just double click again. Now you have to change the value data from 3 to 4. Now once you have done that you have to click on OK. After that, close the registry editor window and restart your PC or laptop. After you restart your PC or laptop, you will see that the Activate Windows watermark has gone. Now it will not come. If it comes, then again just restart the PC and don't need to worry. So that's it for this video guys. This video if you find helpful for you, comment down below if you are facing any problem. Share this video with your friends who are facing this kind of issue and I will hope to see you soon.